Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to hide formula in Google Sheets. So it is very simple. So first I will do a sum formula. So let's do a sum and select the area. All right, now expand it to all of this. Now in order to hide this formula, I will have to click on this row, right click, and click on hide row. Now as you can see, the row is hidden. It jumps from 10 straight to 12, and the formula is hidden in this between row. If you want to expand it, just click on this arrow and you will have to have it back. So you can also hide a formula in a column. If you have sum right here, you can do it just by right clicking the header of the column and click on hide column. As you can see, it jumps from E straight to G. So expand it like this. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.